Hey everyone, I'm sure if you're 40 years of age or older, you probably have plenty of old VHS tapes sitting around with family or other fun events on them. You might have VHS-C tapes as well, or some old high 8 or 8mm. You might even have some of these mini DV digital videotapes. Well, if you have a computer at home, I can show you how to do it yourself. You will need to purchase a video capture device. This little unit ran about $60. The video capture devices always come with an installation DVD. So if you have a VCR, an 8mm camera, or a mini digital video camera, I will show you how to transfer them in these three formats. Most video capture devices will come with 3 RCA jacks, the yellow for video and the white and red for stereo audio. They usually come with a S-video connection also. And the other end is a standard USB 2.0 for your computer. We will start with the one that you are least likely to have, and that would be the mini digital video camera. The mini digital video recorder has 2 outputs. One is the FireWire connection here, but it won't do us any good unless you have a much older computer. The other output we can use is this 1/8" stereo output jack. You can purchase these at Best Buy or order them online. This has the 1/8" stereo plug on one end and the 3 RCA jacks on the other. We can start by plugging the 1/8" phono jack into the output of the camera, and it will transfer both audio and video. The other end we just plug into the corresponding RCA jacks. And the USB 2.0 we can just plug into our computer. The next format we are going to do is the high 8 or 8mm video camera. With this format you will need an additional RCA cable and or a S-video cable. On these RCA jacks they are red, blue, and green, so I will be using the green for the video. If we want to use the S-video cable, which actually gives a slight better resolution, just unplug the video RCA jack from the camera and from the capture device. Plug the S-video cable into the camera. Plug the other end of the S-video cable into the video capture device. And now for the format that you're most likely to have, go ahead and pull out your old VCR. Find your line out. Yellow is for video, red and white are for stereo audio out. Go ahead and hook your RCA cables up. And to your video capture device. Now that we've gone over these 3 formats, I'll show you how to hook it up to the computer. Our first step will be plugging the video capture device's USB plug into the USB 2.0 port. Once you have the program installed from the DVD, you can just click on the icon. Now that our program is open, the first thing we will do is create a title for our video. Since VHS tapes are approximately 2 hours long, we will leave it at 120 minutes. Next, we are going to choose the preferences for this certain video. First, we will choose where we want to save the movies at. In this case it's going to be D, which is the external hard drive. Now that we've got the program up and ready, you can choose from either RCA or S-Video like in the High 8 video. So we're going to choose RCA. Next I am going to hit play on the tape that's in the VCR. We see that the audio is a very good level, so we're going to bring it up one. Still in a good range. So next we're going to hit continue. And start recording. You'll see the counter. And when your video is done, go ahead and hit stop. In order to process the movie, go ahead and hit continue. So our movie was successfully saved in D, which is the external hard drive. So we're going to go there and watch that small sample that we did just to make sure it came out okay. Now that it's been transferred to the external hard drive, I can now easily make a DVD copy of it. Maybe now that mountain of old tapes you have laying around can be transferred and easily watched on DVD. Thank you.